How to send a reminder email from Gmail. This quick tutorial will show you how to schedule an email so it's delivered automatically at a specific date and time. First, open the Gmail app and make sure you're signed into your account. Next, tap the Compose button and enter the recipient's email address. After that, add a subject line and type your message. Once your email is ready, tap the three-dot menu in the top right corner of the screen. From the menu, select Schedule Send. You'll see several suggested dates and times, or you can choose Pick Date and Time to set a custom schedule. Select the date and time when you want the email to be sent, then tap Schedule Send to confirm. That's it. Gmail will automatically send your scheduled email at the selected time, making it easy to send reminder emails, follow-up messages, business emails, or important notifications without having to remember later. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Gmail tips and how-to tutorials.